Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to do a very simple art and craft activity about germs. All the dirty germs that we can find on our hands. Do you remember the story that we read together? Germs are not for sharing. So, for the activity, you need to prepare on your table 1 glue, a pair of scissors, 1 pencil. If you have some Google eyes, a few pieces of colored paper. It could be red, green, orange, yellow, any color. If you have some pipe cleaners, or we can use even some colored paper, is not a problem. Some pink paper for your hands, and 1 big piece of paper to glue on our hands. So let's begin. You can take your pink paper and trace with a pencil 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fingers. Here's 1 hand, and now you make 2 hands. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Once you finish these 2 hands, you will take your scissors and slowly cut around your 2 hands. So then we can glue it on your bigger piece of paper, okay? 2 hands. Now we need to make our little germs. All these little monsters, little germs. So you can take your colored paper. You can choose. I will choose yellow. And you can make a different shape. You can make a circle. You can make a triangle. Then on the red, you can make a little squiggly, wiggly shape. And then you need to cut your shapes. We cut around our little germs. These are our germs that we're making. Okay, once we finish cutting the paper, the germs, you will glue on 2 eyes, 2 googly eyes for the germ. You take your 2 eyes, put a little bit of glue. Okay. Perfect. Then with a black felt, you can make a little mouth. Okay. And this can be 1 little germ. And you place it on your hand. Then we can make the blue one. We can make a yellow one. And if you want, you can even make little arms, little legs, okay, with the colored paper. And we glue them on. And we put it on our hands like this, okay? These germs, the germs are not glued. Okay, we don't glue the germs. Okay, here we have finished. I will turn it so you can see. Now, do you remember what happens to these little germs when our friend the soap comes around? So now you will see what happens when we wash our hands very, very well with soap. Look what happens to our germs. Oh, Mr. Soap. Psh, psh, psh. And the germs wash off completely. And we have two super clean hands. Okay, goodbye, boys and girls. We will see you very, very soon for another art and craft activity. Kisses.